This is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Ford Focus, stock number 6344. This ran from the 10th 2015 to the 11th 2018. It has an LZ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LZ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard 1 dent, left front 18-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear 18-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light and sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,